Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jamie, and I've just wanted to get on here on X and tell you about a little project I've been putting together here. It's an Ethereum meme coin. The name is Titillating. Now, to believe it or not, nobody has actually used that before in the meme coin world, and so I'm the first, and that's a good. That means it's an OG. So put together this project, and it is very titillating, I gotta say. It's using these new Elon Grok Imagine images and videos that are absolutely out of this world cool, and the name just fits everything. So as you can see on the screen, this is the website, titillatingcoin.com. It's a great website. I've also got a Telegram group set up. I've got YouTube set up. I've got Twitch set up. And I'm going to be streaming live on all three platforms, YouTube, X, and Twitch, all at the same time at launch. And it's launching probably this Tuesday. You're going to want to watch. You're going to want to bookmark the website and check into it, because I will be posting the contract address. As you can see, there is a nice little box there for the contract address. Right now it's just got a placeholder in it, but it will have an actual contract address. And I want to go over some of the fundamentals of this and about Ethereum meme coins in general and what's going on with them and stuff, because I've been watching and I've been checking it out and seeing how things are going, and it's pretty brutal out there, to be honest. So the scene over in Ethereum is pretty much honeypot after honeypot after honeypot after rug after honeypot, and it's kind of sad. There is one or two coins a day that maybe seem to be okay, but they still are not okay. Most of them, they're very poor contracts, not great scores. Here's my goal here. I want to make it a completely fair launch, as fair as it gets. Basically, I'm putting this out there. We'll go over some of the details here, but let's go on the website. So we've got titillating, exciting or arousing agreeable feelings, stimulating interest or desire. When anybody sees this website, they're going to be very stimulated. I would imagine that. Tempting, alluring, or captivating in a way that is impossible to resist. The most titillating opportunity in crypto right now. And that's true, because I'm going to make it that way. I'm going to make sure that it is a great opportunity. I think there are so many traders on Ethereum that want something they can buy that they can feel good about. So I'm kind of going ahead of time and giving out some inside info here, and that this is going to be one you can trust. When you see it come, or when you're able to get it, buy it, because this is one where you don't have to worry about it rugging or having the liquidity pool pulled at any given moment. I'll go over that in a second. So, not just a coin, a fantasy, a temptation. Indeed. It is very cool. I love the images and the things. It's just very good. So, yes, 1 billion tokens will be the supply, guys. 1 billion. That's a pretty normal amount for meme coins. Wanted to make it kind of similar to Pump Fun in that it has 1 billion supply right from the start. And guess what? All 1 billion of them are going to be locked for 1 year with Team Finance. 100% of them. All of them. Not 80%, not 60% or 40 or 50 or any of that. It's all 100% of them locked. I don't want anybody to think that I'm holding any of them. I'm going to be buying it just like the rest of the traders out there. When it gets launched, I'm going to buy. That's it. So Open source verified and ownership renounced contract. That is huge, because open source means you can see everything about it. It's verified, meaning there's no back doors, no hidden stuff. There's a lot on GMGN when I'm looking at the trading terminal there that are completely filled with things like back doors where they can change the taxes to 100% in any given moment, or they can leak the liquidity out the side, or I don't know what they have. I'm not into all that stuff. All I do is I have a completely clean contract from what they call Open Zeppelin. I don't know any of this stuff, but I'm going to make it a clean contract, just like you can find on Pump Fund, but Pump Fund has nothing but pumps and dumps, real hard bundled dumps. That's not going to happen here. This is a completely clean and great launch, fair launch. That's how I want it to be, and that's why I'm coming out ahead of time. And I'm showing my real face. I'm not hiding behind anywhere. My name is Jamie. I'm actually the dev here. I'm the guy who put all this together. So how to get your hands on it? Well, you can buy it through either Uniswap or GMGN. There's links here on how to do all that. You can buy it right on Uniswap here at the link, or use my GMGN referral code, and you can set up a wallet there and put some Ethereum in it and buy the token when it comes out. Tokenomics. So this is what we'll go over here. So tokenomics, no tricks, no taxes, no hidden mechanics, just a clean ERC20 token with 100% of the supply locked, 0% fees. I shouldn't say, it says 0% fees, but in reality there's a 0.3% buy and sell on every buy and sell, and that's normal for the V2 liquidity pool from Uniswap. That's what they do, 0.3% every time somebody buys and sells. And guess where that money goes? It goes right back into the liquidity pool to build up the liquidity. So it just continues to grow over time. And if you get a coin that really runs, like Shiba Inu or Pepe or something like that, these coins went to billions, and their pools are deep. I mean, they don't have to worry about a thing. Now, we've got a total supply, 1 billion, as I said, fixed. No minting, no nothing. It's locked, 100% locked. It's verified and renounced contract. Verified and renounced. Just putting it's the most basic of basic contracts. It's going to have a green check mark the second it's made, because there's nothing it's completely already verified. 0% taxes. Don't worry about buying and selling. You're not going to get dinged with any taxes. I made it 0 taxes. A lot of guys put like some taxes, but I'm putting 0. Uniswap V2 pool trading on V2. It'll have a 0.3% fee that goes right back into the pool. That's it. No team tokens, obviously. No dev wallet, no nothing. Well, there's dev wallet. I mean, I'm putting it out there, but there's going to be no team tokens or any crazy things like that. It's just going to be me buying my own coin. That's really how it's going to work. Me buying my own coin and promoting it, and trying to be like the rest of you guys, and having a great time. So no restrictions. Some of those contracts have restrictions, so you can't sell at a certain point, or you can't buy. And I'm telling you, like, most of them are honeypots on Ethereum. I'm watching, it's just like, absolutely, I don't even know how they do it or why they do it. Like, it's kind of silly, to be honest. So anyhow, no honeypot, no rug here, no blacklists, no whitelists, and all that stuff. And on from there, we're going to launch, we're going to grow, we're going to expand, and we're going to seduce the major exchanges. And we're going to climax with the greatest crypto coin of all time. Okay, maybe that's a little optimistic, but hey, we're going to try. Beautiful collection here. These are, it's so cool. She is actually our, you haven't bought it yet, but she's our girl. So join the naughty side. There's links. It's going to have all the links up there. The coin address will be immediately posted after it's made. You guys can buy it and stay active and watching on X. And go join the Telegram group. There is Telegram. It's, let me just see the links down here. Telegram, yeah, there we go. Oh, I didn't put it in yet in here, but I just created it. So it's Titillating Coin. It's t.me/ the Titillating Coin. Yeah, Titillating, spelled Tittilling. I had to learn how to spell it, to be honest, because I thought it was spelled a different way, and that's kind of funny. But you know what's funny is also Ethereum is one of the only places where you can have a ticker this long. So this ticker is 11 characters long, I think, and it's fine for Ethereum. So I am going to have a long ticker, titillating, the whole word, and it's called Titillating Coin. So, and it is very nice. Very titillating indeed. So I hope to see you guys come by, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to be streaming on 3 platforms live right when the launch happens. After I lock all the liquidity and do all that stuff, I'm going to probably just run the stream ahead though, in anticipation, and then I'm going to join up and go live and start talking and seeing all you guys and answering the chats and the Telegram and everything like that. So it should be an awesome time this Tuesday when we launch Titillating, and I hope to see you all, at least on the chat anyways, and we're going to make this one hell of a great deal, guys. And thanks for joining me on this video. Share it if you can on X, please. That would be awesome. Let's get as many eyes on this as we can. Oh, and Dex Screener will be paid. The socials will be paid right at the point of putting it up. So it'll have its picture. It'll have everything on the screen ready to link up. All the links will be there on the coin on GMGN. And so, yeah, it's awesome, guys. All right. Well, with that, I'm going to say bye-bye for now. And see you at the launch, guys. Bye-bye.